Hell yeah.
So look, right, what I want you to do, just everything good, right? Just line my beard up for me, please. All right, cool. I'm gonna need you to stop chewing. Stop chewing. Yeah, stop chewing. Cool.
Stop.
My bad. I spit it out. No, don't worry about it. Spit it out. We good. Let's go, cuz. No. Go ahead, do your thing. You see that game last week? Ha! Hey, the Vols finally beat Florida, right? Finally beat.
Fam.
Oh, okay, my bad. No. Go ahead. Do your thing. Do your thing, cuz I'm here for you, right? I'm here for you to cut my.
We can't keep talking about the game, man. The game over with. Let's go.
I heard I was.
Hey, what you say over there? Last time I heard I was the man on these streets, cuz.
Jeezy might be the best trap rapper
That's
ever.
what I'm trying to.
You gonna keep rapping?
My bad. Go ahead now. Now go ahead.
You know what?
Forget it. Now come on. Where you going? Hey, you still gotta.